it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. So, what's happening today? Well, I need you guys. Alright, I need you guys. This is a hashtag that I was tagged in. It is hashtag 3-color challenge tag. The one who came up with this is Trish from the Purple Yarnivor. Hi Trish. And the person who tagged me is Tammy, Seeds of Love Gardening. Alright, so I'll put their links below, of course. Go check them out. So what it is you pick someone from your household to pick out 3 yarns from your stash, preferably all the same weight of yarn, and 3 different colors, preferably solid colors. And then what happens is, this is where you guys come in. You guys comment below, and when I show you the yarns, think of what I should make with them. It's going to be all 3 colors, one item, or maybe a set. Just say something like a hat or a scarf, or a hat and scarf set maybe, a bag, a cowl, you know, it could be anything. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the random comment picker on somewhere the first week of October. I'll write the date on the bottom when I figure it out, to choose one of you, and whatever you said is what I'm going to make. All right, so the only one in my household that I could ask, besides the cats, is my hubby. So I showed him some yarn, and I said, pick out this size of yarn. See the yarn here, this size of yarn. And he asked, what size is that? And I said, it's called a medium 4. And he said, well, he needed some help along the way, right? Some guidance, so I had to do this. And so I showed him the label, and I said, it'll say medium 4 or light 3. Either one. So he's like, all right. And I said, then put them in this bag without me seeing them, because I don't want to see them until I do my video, so I can see them at the same time as all you guys see them. So he's okay. Well, he's like, okay. The guy can't follow direction. I'm sorry. Anyway. He gets 3 yarns. He puts them on the table right near where I am. I'm like, no, I don't want to see them. Put them in this bag. Well, don't put them in this bag, because I've already seen them. Oh, it was quite the ordeal. Anyway, so then he did. I don't know if it's the same yarns he put in the bag, or if he picked different ones. So anyway, let's look at the yarns. They're in here. They've been sitting here all night, and now it's like almost 2 in the afternoon. So let's see what they are. Oh, I'm a little scared. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah, I'm a little scared. Oh my goodness. You really tied it up good. Okay. Oh. Okay. What did he do? Snap the snap. Oh my goodness. All right. Take a look. What do you guys, oh my goodness. Is it scary? Can you see them? Oh, I'm kind of, did you see them? Oh, I'm a little bit, I don't know. Can you see them? I don't know if you can see them. But anyway, I'm a little bit scared. All right. Okay. It doesn't look that bad. It doesn't look that bad. Where did he find blue yarn? I didn't even think I had any blue yarn. Oh my goodness. Okay. I don't know what this is. Okay, but it's blue. All right, I think it's actually, it might be a 3-weight, which is good. All right, so blue. Whew. And then, oh, this is another blue, but this one I think is acrylic. This one is cotton. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. It's blue, all right, it's a light blue. This is Easy Knit Rich Cotton, or Cotton Rich, 400 grams, 70% cotton, 30% polyester. It's called Sky. 4mm crochet hook is suggested. Oh God. Okay, let me see. I don't think it even says. It might be a 3. This was in a mystery bag from Maxim. Yes, 400 grams. It doesn't say how many yards. I already showed you this when I showed you the Maxim mystery bag. But anyway, all right. So we have 2 blues, a dark blue and a light blue. I think this is acrylic, I'm pretty sure. Soft, really soft. This one is cotton, cotton and polyester. Okay, so the other one, oh, that's pretty, right? This one is Bernat Cozy Style. Okay, what size is this one? What's it say? No, it's it's only a partial ball. 100% acrylic, medium 4. Originally there was 454 grams or 1,015 yards. Color is plum. It's a really pretty color. It is actually a little darker than I see it on the screen. So we have, did I say what's made out? 100% acrylic. So we have this plum, we have this light blue. Oh, I don't know. How am I going to work in this cotton? And then we have this dark blue. So what should I make with these 3? I think they kind of go together, except this has cotton, mostly cotton in it. So what do you guys think? What should I make with all 3 colors together? I'm sweating here. It's hot here. Winnipeg, Canada. Oh my goodness, it was so hot the last couple of days. It was 30 Celsius and then 32. It's only 22, which is 72 Fahrenheit right now, and it just feels so hot. Oh, the 30 is, what is it, 90? I forget now, 90 something Fahrenheit. End of September, we don't have this kind of weather, this kind of heat. So anyway, that's why I'm hot and I'm drinking coffee. Anyway, so yeah, so now, let's see. So yeah, you guys need to tell me, what should I make? Nothing too huge, please. But what do you guys, have you ever worked with these kinds of yarns and then a cotton with it? What can I do with the cotton? What am I going to do with that cotton? Okay, this is acrylic. This one I'm pretty sure is acrylic. This one has cotton and polyester, mostly cotton, 70% or, yeah, 70% cotton, 30% polyester. What? Okay. Okay, I need to tag some people. Who am I going to tag? I am going to tag Petra. Petra's Happy Place. Hi, Petra. You are it. Sandy from Crochet Canada. Sandy, you are it. And Patsy from Patsy's Crochet. Patsy, you're it. Okay, if you've been tagged, I don't know. But I'm going to link their channels down below, so make sure you go check them out. And yeah, so help me out, guys. What am I going to make? All right. You guys take care. You have a fantastic day. And God bless you all. And remember, life is what you make it. And so is yarn. Okay, bye for now.